Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wala ilaha illallah wallahu akbar. Rabbi shrahli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amma ba'du. My name Dadang Hussein Sobana comes from Islamic State University UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung, West Java, Indonesia. With my friend Mr. Ricky Hamzah from Surya Kencana University District Cianjur, West Java, as a team of author of article and researcher has been done. First of all, I would like to thank for the opportunity and trust given by the Committee for the Malacca International Conference on Social Sciences and Science and Technology 2023 for being chosen to be one of the speakers at this very cool and prestigious event. Next, I beg your pardon for this presentation on behalf of my friend. I will present a paper entitled The Effect of Halal Awareness and Halal Certification on the Interest in Buying Ready-to-Eat Food in Millennial Generation, Bandung, West Java in Indonesia. Honorable, this paper is the result of research that we and our team have carried out in the city of Bandung, West Java, in Indonesia on millennial. And Bandung is one of the big cities in Indonesia, which has always been a barometer of whether or not the window of Indonesian millennial. The Honorable, this research is motivated by the increasing consumption of fast food in Indonesia every year. Based on data released by Euromonitor International, the sales value of fast food in Indonesia in 2023 was $1,442 million. 2014 was US dollar 1,651. And 2019 was 2,921 US dollar. This phenomena has occurred because of change in food pattern in the last few decades. Based on the Ministry of Agriculture data, fast food currently account for 28% of all calorie consumption by urban residents. The Honorable, the high consumption of fast food in Indonesia is consumed mainly by the millennial generation by Minister Agriculture Syahrul Yassin Limpo made the statement in interview with economicoccasion.com November 11, 2019. The lifestyle of the millennial generation born in 1981 to the mid 2000 is of particular concern to researchers in Bernstein, United States. The research result conducted by Sarah Senator and Alexia Howard showed that millennials pursue convenience and speed in food consumption. They eat at restaurant more often than older people. Honorable Islam regulated its people to consume halal and suitable product. In this clearly stated in the Quran, Indonesia has the large Muslim population global, and consumption of halal product ranging from food product, cosmetic, and medicine is a potential market share. Domestic product and product from abroad also participate in marketing their product to Indonesia. So information about the halalness of a product must be guaranteed in Indonesia. Thus, halal products are not a choice but should be the primary choice of the Muslim community daily. According to Solehuddin and Lutfi Rishad, halal certification significant influence consumer buying interest in halal product. This is contrary to the free survey conducted by researchers on 20 Muslim consumer respondents state to 20 respondents state that didn't buy a product based on the presence of halal label on the product packet. Based on data, halal certification is not so much consideration for Muslim consumer by product. A similar study was also conducted by the Ijudin, which resulted in halal label not influencing interest in buying culinary food. In addition to a halal certificate showing physical evidence that the product consumed is halal, self-awareness of the importance of consuming halal product is also paramount. Halal awareness is an essential part of the consumption of halal product in Indonesia. According to Sahari and Arifin, halal awareness is the level of understanding of Muslim in knowing issue related to the halal concept. The knowledge include understanding what is legal and how the production process of a product is according to Islamic halal standard. From the explanation above, it can be seen that they are inconsistent in previous research in examining the effect of halal awareness and halal certificate on buying interest. In choosing halal food, millennial Muslim are more likely to choose product or service that have been certified halal. 3 research, Fitria, Aji, and Heriawan state that in general for millennial halal certification is only to ensure that the product is or services offered have passed the MUI, Majelis Ulama Indonesia certification test. So there isn't intention of knowing further about it. The fact is that some manufacturers do not yet have adequate knowledge about halal food and claim their product are halal because they only display the halal logo without halal certification from the MUI, Majelis Ulama Indonesia, where this action can be categorized as public fraud. This result in Muslim consumer tendency to be aware of the food they consume. Unfortunately, millennial Muslim tend not to know what halal consumption is and how to recognize the halalness of the product because it is their lifestyle. From this understanding, based on previous research, it was found that halal awareness and halal certified. According to research, in 219, proved to have a significant effect on buying fast food interest in the millennial Muslim generation in Indonesia. The researcher conduct a study by distributing mini questionnaire to the millennial generation in Bandung by accidental sampling or by chance during Agustus 2000. The millennial generation filled out the questionnaire 20 and 30 years of age. The based on questionnaire from 20 respondents when were taken by accident. There are 6 statements. The first statement that more respondents choose strongly agree on mean that the respondent who were the initial sample interpreted that the millennial generation often visit of raw ready to eat food in the city of Bandung. Then, in the second statement, all respondents answer strongly agree, which means that the millennial generation is aware of the importance of eating halal food because it is regulated in the Quran. The third statement, the millennial generation understand the concept of halal food, but isn't deep. Furthermore, in the fourth statement, respondents chose neutral, that they didn't strongly find of information about the halal fast food they eat. The fifth statement, more respondents who chose not to agree mean that they buy fast food more often without knowing that the food is halal. Moreover, in the sixth statement, respondents choose neutral food, which means they buy fast food without a halal certificate installed in the restaurant. Based on the pre-research, initial research show that the Muslim millennial generation in the city of Bandung often visit and buying fast food restaurant, both local and international fast food. Then, according to researchers, the questionnaire research show that the millennial generation already has halal awareness about the fast food they will consume. However, the millennial generation still is evident of the halalness of fast food in the form of halal certificate and halal logo on the restaurant or fast food they consume. So, based on the background of the research above and the result of the free research questionnaire, the study aims to review the effect of halal awareness and halal certification on interest in buying fast food in the millennial generation Bandung City, West Java, Indonesia. Method research. This type of research is quantitative research. Population sample. The population in this study is millennial generation in the city of Bandung, West Java, Indonesia. The sample taken is the millennial generation age 20 equally 40 years who live in Bandung Raya with 400 people. The people in teenager up to 24 and adults 25 up to 59. Data collection technique in this study is a questionnaire that use a Likert scale and documentation in the form of literature study. Teknik analisis data we use while the data analysis technique in this study are using validity and reliability tests, classical assumption test, and quantitative statistic consisting of multiple regression, Spearman rank, correlation test, hypothesis testing, and coefficient of determination test. So, descriptive statistic, then from the entire questionnaire data obtained descriptive statistic of each variable were calculated using SPS per C20 software. Result atau hasil penelitian validity test. Based on the result of the validity test, it can be conclude that all question items in the research questionnaire are valid because they have a count bigger or table. Reliability test. Based on the result of the reliability test, it can be seen that the variable of halal awareness, halal certification, and buying interest have reliable data because they have a Cronbach alpha value a bigger 0.6. Multiple regression analysis score X1 halal awareness, X2 halal certification and interest in buying fast food, Y, and assisted by the SPSS 20 calculation is a flow. Based on calculation, the regression equation for in this regression test Y equal 17,508 plus 0,345 halal awareness 0,240 0240 halal certification. The result of the multiple regression above provide an explanation that 1. The constant value the constant value 17,508, this value can be interpreted if the variable of halal awareness and halal certification are zero or do not affect they, then buying interest is constant at 17,508. 2. The regression coefficient value of halal awareness is 0,345. This value means that halal awareness has a positive relationship with buying interest. if there is a 1 unit change in halal awareness, that value of purchasing interest will increase by 0, 3, 4, 5. 3. The regressive coefficient value for halal certification is 0,240. This value indicates that the direction of the relationship between halal certification and purchase intention is negative. If there is a change of 1 unit in the halal certification, the interest in buying ready-to-eat food will decrease by 0,240. An honorable hypothesis testing, t-test score the t-value of the halal awareness variable is 11,733 and the significance is 0,000, while the table at a significance level of 0,05 and degree of freedom df is df equal and value of 1,871 is obtained. Choose the value of the account bigger. The table 11,733 bigger 1,871. Likewise, the significant value smaller 0,05. So HA hypothesis alternative is accepted and HO hypothesis null is rejected. So it can be concluded that halal awareness significance effect and interest in buying ready-to-eat food. P-test. The testing method for this hypothesis test is carried out by simultaneous testing using the F-test. The purpose of the F-test is to determine the effect of halal awareness X1 and halal certification X2 on interest in buying ready-to-eat food. Why? The hypothetical model used in the V-test are 1. If the significant level is at bigger 0,05 or F con small F table, then HO is accepted and HA is rejected. 2. If the significant level is F smaller 0,05 or F arithmetic bigger F table, then hypothesis HO is rejected. HA is accepted. The following are result of the F-test using SPSS software. The result calculasi F value F table 304. Then HA hypothesis A is accepted, meaning that halal awareness and halal certification together have a significant effect on buying interest in ready-to-eat. So, coefficient determination test, the result, it is known that the value of the coefficient of determination through the R-square table is 0,32 2, the magnitude of this value can be explained that the dependent variable or interest in buying fast food, Y, can be explained by the independent variable halal awareness, X1, halal certification, X2, with a value of 0.32 or 32%, and the remaining 67% explained in order variable not examined in this study. Conclusion: based on the result above, it can be concluded that partially halal awareness has a significant effect on interest in buying fast food in millennial generation in Bandung, West Java, Indonesia. This is indicated by a significant of 0.000 and a correlation coefficient that show a strong relationship between the two variables. Then referring to the study result, it can be conclusive that partially halal certification has a significant effect on buying fast food interest in the millennial generation in Bandung, West Java, Indonesia. This is indicated by a significant of 0.000 and a correlation coefficient that show a weak relationship between to the variable. Finally, it can be concluded that simultaneously halal awareness and halal certification have a significant effect on interest in buying fast food in the millennial generation of Bandung City, West Java, Indonesia. These results are shown by the contribution of 32% of the influence given by halal awareness and halal certification in influencing the interest in buying fast food. The remaining 67-80% is included by other variable not examined in this study. Alhamdulillah, and honorable, that what we can say, we feel honored and proud to be part of this event. More or less, we apology, mohon maaf atas segala kehilapan dan kekurangan. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nah, Om.